Hello everybody. First here in this problem solve 9x cube minus 15x square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0 given that two of its roots are equal. So first the polynomial is p of x is equal to 9x cube minus 15x square plus 7x minus 1. Since the polynomial is a cubic polynomial, degree is 3, roots are 3. So when we compare this one with general form, that is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, a is equal to 9, b is equal to minus 15, c is equal to 7, d is equals to minus 1. Let the roots be alpha, beta, gamma. Sum of roots minus b by a, that is minus of minus b is here minus 15 by 9, 15 by 9. So both of them will get cancelled. So 3 5s are 3, 3s are. Given roots are equal, alpha is equal to beta is equal to k. So alpha and sum of the roots alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 5 by 3. K plus gamma is equal to 5 by 3. 2k plus gamma is equal to 5 by 3. Now sum of product of roots taken 2 at a time, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma is equal to 7 by 9. So k into k plus k into gamma plus k into gamma is equal to 7 by 9. K square 2k gamma plus k gamma is 2k gamma is equal to 7 by 9. So here we have to get the value of k. So now from this get the value of gamma. So 5 by 3 minus 2k, substitute this in this. So what do we get, or else we can go for product of roots. Product of roots is equals to minus d by a alpha beta gamma is equals to minus of minus 1 by 9 k into gamma is equals to 1 by 9. So k into k is k square into gamma is equals to 1 by 9. So here substitute this, either substitute this in this or in this. So which one will we go for? So better to go for this. So here what do we get? K square plus 2k into 5 by 3 minus 2k is equals to 7 by 9. So k square plus 2k into 5 by 3 minus 2k into 2k, 4k square is equals to 7 by 9. So k square minus 4k square minus 3k square plus 10k by 3 is equals to 7 by 9. LCM 3 minus 3k square into 3 plus 10k, here it will be 1 is equals to 7 by 9. 3 1s are 3, 3s are. So here what do we get? Minus 9k square plus 10k, get this 3 here, is equals to 7 minus 27k square plus 30k is equals to 7. So now get these two terms to the other side. So what do we get? So 27k square minus 30k plus 7 is equals to 0. Now we have to factorize this one. So take the coefficient of k square, 27 into 7 is equal to 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 14 plus 4 18. Now split this 27 as 3 into 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 is equal to 189. So here 27k square. Now here on multiplying, on adding two numbers you should get 30, and on multiplying two numbers you should get 189. So here 3 3s are 9 into 21, 21 plus 9 30. So 27k square minus 9 plus 21k plus 7 is equals to 0. So 27k square minus 9k minus 21k plus 7 is equals to 0. Now from these two take 9k common, 3k minus 3k minus 1 minus 7 if you take common, 3k minus 1 is equal to 0. 3k minus 1 into 9k minus 7 is equals to 0. Now 3k minus 1 is equal to 0. 3k is equals to 1. K is equals to 1 by 3. 9k minus 7 is equal to 0. 9k is equals to 7. K is equals to 7 by 9. Now already we have performed product of roots. So here take this k square into 1 by 9. So case 1. So case 1 is k is equals to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 whole square into gamma is equals to 1 by 9. So here it will be 1 square by 3 square into gamma is equals to 1 by 9. 1 by 9 into gamma is equal to 1 by 9. 1 by 9, 1 by 9 cancel. So gamma is equals to 1. So therefore, in one case, roots are what? 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1. Right? Now, let us take case 2. In this case 2, it is 7 by 9. Case 2, it is 7 by 9. So, 7 by 9 whole square into gamma is equals to 1 by 9. 7 square by 9 square into gamma is equals to 1 by 9. Gamma is equals to 1 by 9 cross multiply. 9 square is 81. 7 square is 49. So gamma is equals to 9 by 49. So therefore roots are what? Two roots are equal. 7 by 9. 7 by 9. 9 by 49. So therefore roots are, first case 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1, and second one will be 7 by 9, 7 by 9, 9 by 49. Thank you.